These ricotta cookies are a must for any Italian Christmas. First, you're going to start out by mixing your dry ingredients into a bowl, and then in a separate bowl, add in some softened butter, lemon zest, and sugar, and cream it together. Now, for this, you can use a KitchenAid mixer. It would go a lot faster, but I didn't have one, so I'm just doing this by hand, and it works just fine. And you want it to be light and fluffy when you're done. Then add in your vanilla extract, and then add in 1 egg at a time, and in between make sure you mix. And then add in your other egg, mix again. And then keep mixing until it's well combined, and then you're going to add in your ricotta cheese and keep mixing until that is well combined. And then you're going to want to add in your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients. And what I'm doing here is I'm adding half of my dry ingredients and then mixing it together thoroughly. And then once that's combined, adding in the other half of my dry ingredients. And this just makes it easier to work with, and you don't have to worry about anything spilling over. And you want to keep mixing until everything's well combined and there are no flour pockets. And then once the dough is combined, you're going to keep it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. And then after 2 hours, you are going to start to shape your dough into balls. And you're just going to line a parchment lined baking tray. And then you're going to put these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. While those are cooking, in a separate bowl, add in your powdered sugar, lemon juice, and vanilla extract to make your glaze. Instead of lemon juice, you can use milk. And this is the consistency you want your icing to be. And then I added in sprinkles here, but you should wait until you glaze your cookies until you add in your sprinkles. And then at the 11-minute mark, you're going to check your cookies to make sure they are golden brown on the bottom. So right here, they're golden brown, but I'm just going to cook them until I get to the 12-minute mark. And then you're going to lay them out on a wire rack to cool off. And then you're going to individually dip each cookie into your icing. And then the full recipe will be in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see all the videos that I post next. And here are lemon ricotta Italian Christmas cookies.